Oh shit. Here we go again.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy Young Draco, and I'm back with another video. But today, we're gonna be doing an unboxing, and I got some stuff from Temu. Y'all ever heard of Moissanite diamonds? They passed the diamond test, and I'm trying to see if that's legit. Link gonna be in the description, or I'll put the picture right here of which earrings I got and the diamond tester. You feel me? Let's go ahead and get to the video. Make sure you go to my Patreon. You feel me? Go to my Patreon. Subscribe to my Patreon. Like the video. Comment down below and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Diamond sister earrings. Made in China. Diamond sister. Shit. Diamond sister. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? See if it's all wrong. Earrings. Come in this motherfucker, you hear me? Come in this, you hear me? Oh God. I don't think y'all heard me. VVS. That's what it say. VVS. Don't let it fool you. Come in two little boxes, you hear me? 2 boxes. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. So we're gonna test this first one, first box. First box, 6.5 diamonds, you hear me? Ooh, jump, about failed. Nothing important. Alright. First we're gonna test it off the ear. Hold on. This bitch on. I think this bitch need batteries. Hold on. Do this bitch need batteries? Do it come with batteries? Damn, it need batteries. Bad thing. We don't have no batteries. Shit. Well, I'll tune back in y'all when I get some batteries for that. But for now, I'm gonna show y'all how these look. They glistering too, you hear me? So I finally got the battery for the diamond tester. I already put these earrings in because they were blinging too much. I had to put them in. It was an urge. But yeah. I got the battery to the diamond tester. As y'all can see. Let's test them. We're finna test these ones first. We're finna test these ones first. As y'all can see, they too bling, can't even see them. Bling bling. Turn the diamond test on. Turn it all the way to the first, no. We're gonna do the first bar first. First green bar. think you gotta put 3 grand bars. Hold on. 3 grand bars. That's how I be seeing on YouTube videos. Uh-oh. These diamonds. Oh man, hold on. These bitches plastic, I don't know. They going, but then they not. You gotta do 4. Keep slipping. It's my first time using one of these. As y'all can see. Hold up. These is off the TikTok shop. Let's try the other ones, cause these ones probably better. Let's try the gift that we got. It's the free gift. Free gift. As y'all can see, they hit 2. Let me turn them around. They hit. Alright, lastly, I'm gonna test the ones that's in my ear. You hear me? And these is Moissanite diamonds from TikTok shop. The ones in my ear, VS diamonds. As y'all can see, let me move my hand out the thing. These real diamonds. Let's see if these bitches hitting on 1 bar. 1 bar. Yes, sir. I got these off the TikTok shop. If y'all want to go get them, they call Moissanite diamonds. This is a 6.5 mm. Go shop from them. Got a diamond test off TikTok shop too. Just end this video. Make sure y'all like the video for more videos. Make sure y'all comment down below. Join my Patreon and follow me on Instagram at follow me on Instagram at owelful. Link down in the description. We gone.
Bye. Have a great time.
Ain't no love without no burgers, we have PSX. Ain't no wall without no switches on them kids. Dog in the pen, he don't even get an ounce from his family. Hoping they the touchdown, just acting like Jalen Ram. Boy, they damn man walk. We call him Zach, I fucked then walk straight past her. He went on the same day, I fucked then walk straight past her. We went in the church at Moonfire, you straight ass.